Hi. Hi, Aiden.
Hi.
I love you.
Hi.
I love you, Bubble. All right, good job. Here. You gotta get the tree branch and stick it on like this. Ready? Look what you're doing. You're supposed to help me. Ta-da! Yeah. Here, Aiden, wanna do one?
Where's my daughter?
Oh man, everything's broken. We're doing our best. Here, Aiden. You wanna do one? He's over there eating some breadsticks. Come over here. Ready? Excuse me, Bob. Let's go right here. Careful with your bread. No, that's Bob's. You give it to him right now. He's trying to steal his bread. Here, Bob. Here. Get this. Put it in the tree.
What?
I forgot your butter.
Ah. Good thing you live right around the corner. Are you dancing, baby? Dance, boys.
I'm just playing.
Dance. Go ahead, dance. Good job. All right. Yeehaw. Good job. You get dizzy?
Yeah, cute boys and all that.
Wow, I'm sad. No, that's all of it.
Hey, careful. Okay, I got a fun part. You guys done with those balls? I know it's broken. I got a better idea. Ready? Want to hang that one up? Okay. Here, let me help you. Oh man. Okay. Wait. Man. Here we go. Here, get this. Uh-oh, come put it here. Oh, Berry? Where's the berry? Oh, here's the family, everybody. And then here's Olga. Bubble. Aiden? Hi. Did you find what you're looking for? What is that? What is that? Okay, let's do something else, guys. Ready? Here. Let's go make a mess. Yeah, let's throw this all over the Christmas tree. You guys want to go put this on the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go do it. Ooh, come on.
Where is it at?
Let's go put this on the Christmas tree. Alright, here we go. Now, watch and learn, children. Ready? This you can throw at the Christmas tree. Look at it. Whee! Throw it at the Christmas tree. Yeah! Throw it already. Woohoo! And then you have to pick it up on the tree. Do it! On the tree, though. On the tree, baby. It's okay. Just throw it on the tree. On the tree, baby. On the tree, mijo. Look at ready. Oh, wow. That's a lot. Ready? Look at guys. Look. Ready? Look at Grandma. Whee! Rub the tree with it. Rub the tree. Wash the tree. Good job. Your turn, Aiden. Let's see you wash the tree. Wash the tree.
Oh, that's messed up.
What did you find in there? Oh. Okay, wait. Save some for Aiden. Here, Aiden. Grab that. Grab it and go wash the tree, baby. Wash the tree. Over here. Oh, man. All right, man. That's awesome. Finish it off. Give me my bowl now.
I am so sorry, mother. About the pie crust.
All right. Look at that beautiful tree. Because you boys did it. Good job. Go stand near the tree and smile, guys. Go stand near the tree and smile. Ready? Stand right here. Then turn around. Look at Grandma. Look at me, Grandma. Look at Aiden. Aiden. Focus. Aiden. Ready? Say hi. Wave at me, guys.
What?
Or not.
What?
You're wiped out, huh?
Huh? Yeah, what? Is that what you said? Well, get up there for lazy ass and do something.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm recording over here. Good job.
Oh, wait, you're gonna learn. No, do it over.
Woohoo! It's So much fun, huh?
Anyway, how are you?
All right. Yay! It's raining. Hey, that goes on the tree, Aiden, not off the tree. Put it on the tree. No, get it from the floor and put it on the tree.
Who is?
Yay! We're gonna have to work on teaching Aiden. Hey, don't hit each other. Put it on the tree, Aiden. On the tree, Aiden. On the tree, baby. On the tree. No, not at all. Jose has to see what his child is like. Yay! Grubbin. Lionhead. He's creative. Aiden. Oh, wow. What was that? Let me see. I'll get it. It's broken. I'll get it. Uh-oh. Did you throw that? You gotta be careful. You can't throw it. It's glass. Yeah, it's glass now. Is one of you guys pooped? That's what I want to know. You guys gotta be careful because there's glass right there now, okay? Put that on the tree. Good job. Put it on the tree, Aiden. You want to throw it in the air, huh? Say bye to the camera. Bye, camera.
Bye.
Bob, put the train back, please. Yes, son. This is what you're missing. A mess. Good job. All right. Oh, look at you got yourself, baby. Oh, wait, let me see. Oh, man. Good job.
Hey, I found my papers.
What is it? Let me see.
Orange one.
What is it? Is it an ornament? Say ornament. We're going to hang it on a tree? Good job.
Maybe it was right the day after. Huh? Maybe tomorrow, maybe after. I'm off for a week. Got a whole week off.
Almost.
Yep.
Hey, nicely. Good job, dude. Good job.
For the holiday.
Careful with my train, homie. No, you gotta be careful with my train.
I'll go back to work till next Tuesday.
All right, let me see what you got, Aiden.
Yep.
Is it pretty, Aiden? Are you dancing?
Saturday, no, on the 2nd.
Aiden, I love you.
I'm going to work on the 2nd.
I love you.
2nd of January.
Aiden. Blas, I love you. What do you got? What are you doing? Oh, it's beautiful. Good job, man. It's awesome. All right, and there it is, a work of art.
Well, be careful.
And cut.